Welcome! In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy Fit and I'm gonna show you how to change the watch face on this device. First we need to open the Galaxy wearable app on our phone. In the app we have a watch faces right here. Let's tap on it. And here we have a list of watch faces we can select. For example, let's select this one. As you can see, the watch face changed, and you can just select any watch face from this list to apply it, like this. And that's how you change the watch face on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.